Hey y'all, welcome to this 10-minute nervous system reset flow made to help you with regulation in the body, release stress, tight muscles, mental chatter, and a flight or flight response in the body. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. Let us begin. Namaste. We're going to come to a comfortable seating position with our spine tall. We're going to inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth. And I want you to continue to deep breathe as you balance your breath to balance your mind. You are subconsciously aligning yourself with inner peace and calmness. At this time, I want you to inhale, reaching your arm up and side stretching to the left. You're going to exhale, sweeping your arm across the body into a gentle seated twist. We're going to move with our breath like a wave as we expand, release, and spiral. So I want you to inhale, unwinding and lengthening that spine, and exhale as you side stretch the other way. Continue to synchronize your breath and your movement as I say this affirmation. I am worthy of mental clarity in my present moment, and I now see a clear path for my life. We're going to transition into a tabletop position. We're going to inhale, reaching our right arm to the sky, and exhale, threading it under our left arm, and our shoulder and our temple should be resting down. As you melt into this thread the needle pose, I want you to soften your shoulders and breathe into your upper back as I say this affirmation. My aura is cleansed from harmful energies and toxins in the body, and I send them back into the earth where they can be neutralized. We're going to inhale, rising back up into that tabletop position, and we're going to exhale, melting back into the mat, softening our shoulders, and breathing into our upper back again. I want you to continue to deep breathe as you cleanse your energy from all the negativity from your past. From a tabletop position, we're going to lift our hips up and back into downward dog. We're going to inhale, stepping our right foot forward into low lunge with our arms overhead. And as we exhale, we're going to move into pigeon pose, so you want to make sure that you're sitting up straight and that back leg is straight as well. We're going to synchronize our breath and our movement as we flow between low lunge as we inhale and pigeon pose as we exhale. We're going to move to pigeon pose if you're not there already, and we're going to hold this pose until we switch sides. And we're going to switch sides, so start off in that low lunge with your opposite leg. And we're going to move into pigeon pose. As we inhale and release, let your breath be the guide of shifting between strength and surrendering. And just like on the other side, we're going to hold this pigeon pose until we transition into another pose. We're going to transition into a standing position, stepping our feet wide and interlacing our hands behind our back. We're going to inhale, lifting our heart, and exhale, folding forward with our arms reaching overhead. You're going to ground down through your legs as you let your heart soften towards the earth as I say this affirmation. I am divinely grounded, supported, whole, and fulfilled in my present moment. We're going to transition by lying down with our knees up and our feet hip-width apart. I want you to inhale by lifting your hips up into bridge pose with your hands interlaced under your body. Or if needed, you can place a block under your sacrum for a supported bridge pose. I want you to focus on inhaling as you expand in your ribs and exhaling as you release all tension through your jaw and shoulders. Remember that you are mentally, emotionally, and psychologically restored and ready for all forms of true love in your life. We're going to transition into Supine Twist with eagle legs, so hug your knees in and cross your right thigh over your left like an eagle, and drop your legs to the left as you open your arms wide. And I want you to breathe deeply into your belly and your side body. And we're going to switch to our right side, so let your breath bring out your spine and rise away anything that does not serve you at this time. We're going to transition by putting our feet together, our knees wide, and our hands over our heart and our belly. Allow your body to relax as you inhale through your belly, your ribs, and your chest, and exhale through your chest, your ribs, and your belly. I want you to synchronize your breath and your movement, filling each corner of your body, and with each exhale, you're going to rest deeper. Feel your inner resilience grow deeper as you let go of your fears and embrace your authentic self. I want you to rest in the stillness as you absorb this affirmation. I have the inner clarity that I desire and need to feel safe, whole, happy, and openly express myself. Thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. And I will see you guys in the next yoga session. Namaste.